Hi, I'm Darwin Venezuela from BSc A2B, discussing about Aristotle and St. Thomas Aquinas in regards to their contribution to ethics. Aristotle, or in Greek Aristoteles, is an ancient Greek philosopher and scientist, one of the greatest intellectual figures of Western history. The surviving works of Aristotle include three treatises on moral philosophy: the Nicomachean Ethics in 10 books, the Eudemian Ethics in 7 books, and the Magna Moralia. The Nicomachean Ethics. Name given to Aristotle's best-known work on ethics. The theme of the work is a Socratic question previously explored in the works of Plato, Aristotle's friend and teacher, of how men should best live. Aristotle begins the work by positing that there exists some ultimate good toward which, in the final analysis, all human actions ultimately aim. The Eudemian Ethics. The primary focus is on ethics, making it one of the primary sources available for study of Aristotelian ethics. Aristotle's ethics is the protracted answer to three basic questions. Who am I? How should I live? And where am I going? These questions, Aristotle responds by explaining that we are social beings, that we should live a life of virtue in accordance with reason, and that our end is happiness. He elaborates on the fact that we are social beings who, if we are to achieve happiness, must be reasonable and live a life full of virtue,